Hello everyone. This is the second video of my project which is on self-driving car. The purpose of this project is to move the car with the help of users' hand gestures. This is added just for fun. So if we think about the real life scenario, what happens is a driver actually sits on the driver's seat and he steers with on the steering wheel. So let's say instead of the steering wheel we have a web camera situated over there, and the camera it captures all the gestures of the driver, and based on the gestures the car actually drives. So this can be translated to our case, and I'm simulating it with the help of a web camera of my laptop, and I'm sitting in front of the laptop. So the web camera is actually working as the camera in the place of steering wheel, and I'm the driver. Now when I make some gestures, the camera will understand those gestures and it will send that to the car, which will ultimately take the corresponding action, move in the particular direction precisely. So on the car, we have some components with the help of which these two, the laptop and the car, are actually communicating. I've created a wireless network on the car with the help of this dongle, which is connected to a Raspberry Pi, which is situated over here. And with the help of the wireless network, the laptop and the car are communicating with each other. Now, I've already described all the components in my first video, which you can see. Um, Let me explain you what are there on the screen. So there are two terminals. The terminal of the laptop. Terminal number two, the one at the bottom, is the terminal for the Raspberry Pi, which is on the car. So all the output of the car can be seen on the bottom terminal. Now we have three windows which actually show the input of the laptop's web camera. So whatever gesture I'm making will be actually shown in these three videos, and with the help of those three videos the car will with the help of these gestures the car will move. Now I have this window at the bottom right shows the actual runtime of how the car actually moves. So let me explain you how this thing actually works. Whenever I'm showing the gestures, it is actually thresholding the image and creating a binarized image. Now, based on the binarized image, which you can see in this part, it is performing a bitwise AND operation of the three-dimensional image with the color image. So with that, I'm obtaining the third image in which I'm having the image of just my hand. Now I'm finding the contours on the maximum area contour in this part, which is definitely the contour of my hand. I'm finding the convexity defects. As you can see in this part, I'm finding the convexity defects. These blue points, they actually show convexity defects, and I'm plotting the centroid, and the centroid movement is also tracked. Now based on my gestures, the red point is the farthest point from the centroid. So I'm calculating the distance between the red point, which is the farthest point, and the centroid, as well as the slope of the line, to actually perform the movement. Now, as you can see, when I'm pointing it upwards, when the red point is above the centroid, which is the forward movement. So I'll actually show you the demonstration. So I'll switch on the car. Yes. So as you can see, the car has started. Now when I'm doing a forward movement, the car is actually moving forward. When I'm taking a left turn, the car is moving left. Wow, it is moving in 360-degree turn. Now it is moving right. Again moving forward, moving right. I do not want it to collide. It can again move in the left direction. So all this is happening based on my gestures. I'll ask it to come towards me. So move forward, move right. So oops. Okay, doesn't matter. So this is how it is working. So based on my gestures, the car is actually moving. Now I'll show it to you once more. The car is moving forward, right, left, and done. So as you can see, the car is actually moving on my hand gestures. It can be similarly done for backward, backward right, and backward left. So this thing is just a concept which can be implemented in real life cars. Thank you for seeing my video.